Ever wondered why apple cider vinegar is considered a superfood? Well, let's embark on a journey to unravel this mystery. Apple cider vinegar, often simply referred to as ACV, isn't just your ordinary vinegar. It has made a name for itself in many kitchens across the globe, not only for its unique and tangy flavour that adds a zing to your dishes, but also for the treasure trove of health benefits it is believed to possess. In fact, this versatile vinegar has been used for centuries for various purposes, from culinary practices to traditional folk remedies. It's the unassuming hero of the pantry, the silent knight of the dinner table. But what is it that makes ACV so special? What hidden powers does this simple everyday ingredient hold? Let's delve into the world of apple cider vinegar and understand why it's more than just a kitchen staple. Join us as we peel back the layers of this fascinating elixir. Apple cider vinegar isn't a newfound health elixir, it's been around for centuries. Let's take a trip back in time to when it was first discovered. It's believed that apple cider vinegar was used as far back as the ancient civilizations, who valued it as a potent health tonic. They used it as a remedy for various ailments, from digestive issues to skin conditions. Fast forward to the Middle Ages and we find people using it to combat the plague, while in the American Civil War, soldiers used it as an antiseptic. Then, in the early 20th century, it gained popularity as a weight loss aid and a natural way to control blood sugar levels. In more recent times, apple cider vinegar has continued to hold its place in the natural health world. It's used in detoxes, cooking, cleaning, and even beauty routines. So it's clear that apple cider vinegar has stood the test of time. But what makes it so beneficial? When it comes to nutritional value, apple cider vinegar packs a punch. You see, this humble amber liquid is abundant in essential vitamins and minerals. It boasts substantial amounts of vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects your cells from damage, and vitamin E, known for its role in maintaining healthy skin and eyes. But that's not all. Apple cider vinegar is also brimming with minerals such as potassium that supports heart health and calcium, crucial for strong bones and teeth. Beyond vitamins and minerals, this vinegar is a source of beneficial enzymes that aid in digestion, helping your body break down food more effectively. And let's not forget about probiotics. These friendly bacteria are the stars of the show, supporting gut health and contributing to a stronger immune system. All these nutrients combined make apple cider vinegar a veritable cocktail of health-promoting compounds. Indeed, apple cider vinegar is a nutrient powerhouse. But how does it translate to health benefits? Now, let's unravel the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, often referred to as ACV, is more than just a kitchen staple. This vinegar, made from fermented apple juice, offers a wealth of health benefits that are backed by scientific research. Let's start with digestion. ACV contains a substance called acetic acid. Acetic acid can boost digestion by increasing stomach acid production, which can help your body break down food more efficiently. This can be particularly beneficial for those who frequently experience indigestion or bloating. So, next time you're feeling a little uneasy after a meal, consider sipping on a small amount of diluted apple cider vinegar. Now, on to heart health. Did you know that ACV can help maintain a healthy heart? Research has shown that the acetic acid found in ACV can reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. This is incredibly important, as high blood pressure and cholesterol are major risk factors for heart disease. By including apple cider vinegar in your diet, you may be able to support your heart health in a significant way. Finally, let's talk about weight loss. There's a reason why ACV is often associated with diet and weight management. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can help suppress your appetite, increase your metabolism, and reduce water retention. In essence, ACV could potentially help you shed those extra pounds and maintain a healthy weight. Of course, it's important to remember that ACV is not a miracle cure. It should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet and regular exercise to reap the maximum health benefits. Also, remember to always dilute apple cider vinegar before consuming it, as its high acidity can harm your tooth enamel and throat. As you can see, the benefits of apple cider vinegar for our internal health are quite remarkable, but there's more to it. The magic potion of apple cider vinegar offers more than just these benefits. So stay tuned as we continue to explore the myriad health benefits of this wonder ingredient in our next segment. The list of apple cider vinegar's health benefits doesn't end there. Our journey continues as we delve deeper into the world of apple cider vinegar. Let's talk about skin health first, shall we? This humble vinegar is a skin health superstar. Its natural acidity works wonders in balancing our skin's pH, helping to reduce blemishes and improve the overall complexion. Not to mention its antibacterial properties can help keep your skin clear of breakouts. Next, we move on to a benefit that's particularly useful for those navigating the world of blood sugar control. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity during high-carb meals, which can significantly lower blood sugar levels. It's no magic bullet, but it can certainly be a helpful addition to a balanced diet and regular exercise. Finally, let's talk about immunity. In a world where we're more health conscious than ever, boosting our immune system is at the forefront of our minds. Apple cider vinegar comes into play here too. Its antibacterial properties can help fight off pathogens, while its high concentration of acetic acid can promote better nutrient absorption, helping to strengthen our body's defenses. So there you have it. From skin health to blood sugar control and even our immune system, apple cider vinegar is a versatile ally. It's not just a kitchen staple, but a holistic health champion. From our skin to our immune system, apple cider vinegar truly benefits our health in many ways. In a nutshell, apple cider vinegar is a versatile health superstar. We whisked through its rich history, marveled at its potent nutritional profile, and dipped into its myriad health benefits. From heart health to weight management, from skin care to digestion aid, it's clear that this humble kitchen staple packs a powerful health punch. So, the next time you see that bottle of apple cider vinegar in your kitchen, remember, it's not just for salads, it's a potent health elixir.